In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a card or pass from your Google Wallet. Whether you're cleaning up unused cards or simply reorganizing your digital wallet, removing items you no longer need can help keep things tidy. Let's dive right in and streamline your Google Wallet. To get started, you'll want to open your Google Wallet on your device. It's that app icon that looks like a colorful wallet. Once you're in, take a moment to look around and get familiar with what you see. Your cards and passes are displayed here, making it super easy to manage them. Now, the next thing we want to do is find the specific card or pass that you're looking to remove. If it's a card, you might need to swipe left through your collection to pinpoint the one you want to say goodbye to. For passes, you could have a bit of swiping up to do. Think of this as flipping through a deck of cards. Sometimes, the one you're looking for isn't right on top. Be patient as you scroll. Once you've spotted the card or pass you wish to remove, give it a gentle tap on your screen. This action will bring up more detailed information about the card or the pass. You'll notice that this step is crucial, as it ensures you have the right item selected before moving on. Mistakes can happen, but double-checking here saves you from accidentally removing the wrong one. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. This is akin to finding a hidden treasure, because that's where the More Options menu resides. It's usually represented by 3 vertical dots. Tap on it to reveal a few more helpful options. Here's where the process slightly diverges depending on whether you're dealing with a card or a pass. If it's a card, you'll want to select Remove Payment Method. This tells the app that you want to take this card off your active list. For a pass, simply hit Remove. The interface will take care of all the back-end details for you. It's important to follow this part closely, as the removal process is irreversible. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully decluttered your Google Wallet. It's all about making your digital wallet work for you, ensuring that what you see is what you actively use. If you have other cards or passes to remove, feel free to repeat these steps as needed. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. We hope you found this guide helpful and that it leaves you feeling more in control of your Google Wallet setup. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials on managing your digital life efficiently. See you next time.